In this video, I will show you how to create a bar graph in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I click on the Custom Size button and select a standard document size to open a new project. Once the editor loads, I head over to the sidebar and click on the Elements tab. I scroll down through the different categories until I find the Charts section and click See All to view all the available options. I browse through the different bar chart styles and select a standard bar chart to add it to my design. With the chart selected, the data panel opens on the left where I can begin customizing the information. I click into the labels to change the categories to winter, spring, summer, and fall. Next, I click into the numerical fields to update the data points for each season. I can easily add more rows or columns if needed, or even clear the data to start fresh. To further customize the look, I click on the Chart Setup dropdown to adjust how the labels and values are displayed. I can also use the aggregate data settings to change how the numbers are calculated. Finally, I can click on any individual bar to change its color or adjust the overall styling of the graph to match my project. And that's it.